truncating drum on the FB1200. You feel it? It's the return of the beats. The beats makers with the French name on the FB1200. Mission to create.
What's good with you guys? It's me, Bahoza, and I'm back again with another video. And I'm trying to put as much work as possible onto this build, But yeah, guys, I don't like talking too much, as you all know. Today, I think today is gonna be the last day you guys actually see this car looking like this, primed and whatever. But if I can, yeah, I think it's the last day, And yeah, today I'm dealing with the bumpers, I've primed the bumpers up, and there's still some more work to do on the bumpers, like this crack here that I just discovered, So yeah, I need to take that bumper out and sand it down. Need to patch it to weld it up, and yeah, I also have another bumper. The front bumper also needs some work on it, But mainly it's just preps, It's only prep work, and then yeah, we're gonna be done with it. And then I'm a little bit indecisive as to should I color code the bumpers or just leave them black. I don't know. I'm indecisive when it comes to that because it looks good when it's the bumpers are the same color as the car. It also looks good when the bumpers are black, but black bumpers means it's cheap spec, or should I say base spec. Like I don't understand, man. Like when cars nowadays they come with black bumpers, it's a basic spec, doesn't have a lot of features, whereas if a car has coated bumpers, color coded bumpers matching with the color of the car, and it's okay. It might be a sport version, something like that, So an Uno SX came with black and red bumpers, the centerpiece of the bumper, this part here was black, and then this lower part here was red, straight from factory. It also had these arch trims and a side skirt, which I still need to find. I cannot find those things. But yeah, so if I spray the bumpers black and red, that would allow me to install the arch trims and the side skirts when I find them. Then the car will be back to spec, to its original spec, So if I am going to be painting the bumpers red, like all red, then it's gonna force me to only maybe install the side skirts. Maybe the arch trims I also need to paint them red. I don't know, along with the side skirt, because it won't match up. It's quite a lot, guys. But yeah, guys, enough yada. Let me just get into the work. I need to prep these bumpers up, and yeah, I'll decide on the way. So yeah, guys, peace. Nearly done with the back bumper. I just need to go through it one more time with the finer grit sandpaper. But this is basically what I meant when I was saying the bumpers came red and black from the factory. Here is it. The redness is coming out underneath, like it's there. You can't do anything about it. It's there. So I've sanded like the top blackness that was sprayed on here, also with the this is primer the white thingy is primer. So I'm sending it, and I can literally see that okay, the redness is there. You know what I mean? I just need to find out how they did that red, because it's not coming out. You know, it's not coming out. But yeah, guys, like basically this is literally just it. You know. Oh, I also have to prep like the insides of the doors. You know, here by the doors. You know, just here the doors, so that we can be, you know, start painting. I'm gonna start painting from the inside. You know, not the whole car, but I'm meaning the door jambs, everything like there. You know, spray like here at the back. Need to spray this back part, the engine bay. I need to also the boot. You know, like a lot. I need to spray all of those first, and then I'm gonna come back and spray the outer part. But yeah, guys, this is basically just it. Right now I'm going to be refining. I'm going back to the front bumper, you know, yeah, and you know, make it look as good as possible. That's basically what I'm trying to achieve. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's get it. Coming along, you know. This is an old Grille, actually. The Grille, I got it along with the, I think, with the bonnet and the fender. Yeah, they come from the same cars. They were all white, you know. And yeah, I do have a Grille, you know. It's not cracked as this one. This one is cracked. So the only thing that I'm gonna salvage off of this Grille is these rubbers here, you know, and these silver thingies here. Yeah. That's the only thing that I'm gonna be using on my Grille. Well, my Grille is a aftermarket one, so it's all black. I still need to prep that one also. But yeah, this is how the bumper is going to sit actually, you know. So I managed to get myself some side skirts, guys. Look at that. These are the original Uno SX side skirts. Just need to, you know, fit them on. They're not on yet. They just, you know, put them there, you know, for test fitting. But damn, bruh, it looks good. I don't wanna lie. It looks good. And oh, the car doesn't have clear coat yet, you know. This is still base coat, you know. This is still base coat. I have a scratch there. I scratched it by mistake. But yeah, guys, still need to apply clear coat. You know, this is literally still the first coat. I have another coat to apply of paint, you know, the red base coat, and I also have to apply like 2 to 3 clear coats. But yeah, guys, overall the paint is, you know, the paint is quite you know, it came out well for a guy who, you know, who hasn't painted before in his life, you know. it's quite nice, you know. It's quite nice. I love it, you know. There is some orange peel obviously here and there, but we're gonna sort that out, you know. But yeah, guys, basically I'm happy that the car is coming along just fine, you know. the parts. I'm getting parts little by little, and there's a guy that I talked to about the wiring. I need to go get the wiring for a car. I do have the wiring, but I think his is more complete than the one that I have. You know, it's not forged, but yeah, the car is coming along piece by piece. You know, we'll make sure that it gets, you know, fully back to its original spec. But yeah, guys, just admire it, guys. Admire it. I can imagine it, you know, rolling down the road. Yeah, guys. Hey, you know what, guys? Stay tuned for the build. It's about to go crazy. It's about to be lit. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment on the video what you think. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna see you. It's gonna be a long year. Peace.